Hey, we were having a discussion amongst a bunch of people that were on your call last week, where you were talking about handling vulgar gatekeepers and that sort of thing when they become a little bit more aggressive. And one of the questions came up, and I thought it would be appropriate to ask you today for everybody, is when people are actually calling upon businesses, ourselves included, if you do not have a name, if you do not have a referral, what is your recommendation? How do you go about handling something like that if you're just basically working off of a list of businesses? Is there something that you would recommend doing? And how do you kind of navigate that process if you don't necessarily have a name?
Yeah, let me make sure I understand the question. So the question is, I'm making outreach. I'm trying to sell into these businesses, but I don't have the name of my contact. How do I do that? Is that the question? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. The answer is twofold. Answer number one, okay, use tools like LinkedIn, like Lucia that plugs into LinkedIn, like ZoomInfo. I don't get paid by any of these companies. I don't care. There's tools that you can get the name. So just make an effort to get the names, right? If you don't have the names though, let me give you a little cheat code here. If I call and say, hey, can I speak to the person in charge? Are you the owner of the business? Can I speak to whoever handles the blank, the accounting, the finance, the operations, the marketing? My guess is most of us that were on your conversation, Drew, heard things like F off or click or not interested or we're all set, correct?
Correct.
Okay, here's why. Number one, every unskilled salesperson, and I'm not calling you guys unskilled, says some garbage like, can I speak to the person in charge? Can I speak to the owner? Can I speak to the manager? Who's in charge of the financing? They have been classically conditioned, just like Pavlov's dogs, when they hear the bell, they salivate. They've been classically conditioned to go, salesperson, get away, when they hear who's in charge of or can I speak to the person. If we simply replace the who, which by the way, when I say who, I'm being disrespectful to the other person on the phone. I'm saying you're not important. I know you guys aren't saying this, but subconsciously they're hearing, the gatekeeper hears this. You're not important. I don't care about you. I don't value your opinion. I just want to know who I need to talk to so I can go bust their chops and sell them. If you simply replace the who with a where, you get a lot more traction, okay? And here's how that sounds. I call ABC. Susie answers the phone, or Mike answers the phone. Jeff answers the phone. Raina answers the phone. Gatekeeper answers the phone. Thank you for calling ABC. If I say, hi, my name's Matt Easton with Easton University. We do sales coaching. Who would I talk to about that? Oh, we're all good. We don't need that. Thanks, bye. Versus, thank you for calling ABC. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Huge fan of what you guys are doing there. We do sales coaching, and I had a couple ideas that I'd love to get your opinion on. Where should I go in terms of talking to somebody about sales training? And it's really weird, guys. When we just replace the who with a where, who is, I'm going to bother this person. Who is, I don't care about you. Where is, we're now pointing and looking at this problem together. And just like when I say, where's the restroom? Where's the beach, right? Where's the food court at the mall? It's very easy for people to go, there it is, there it is, there it is. When you replace the who with a where, you're going to be shocked at how much more the person goes, well, the best place for you to go with that would be to talk to Mike Adams. Mike's not in the office today. He's doing some stuff with his family. He'll be back in tomorrow, sugar. Do you want me to give him your name and number? Absolutely, that'd be great. In terms of back in tomorrow, what time would Mike be back in? He's back in at 4:30. Is there a direct number I should reach out to them, or should I call back on this number? Actually call him on his mobile. It's 720-660-3202. Perfect. When I just replace that who with a where, person's going to be a lot more likely to want to assist me. Who is offensive. I'm going to get in trouble for giving you your name. Where is as simple as, hey, where's the bathroom? It's right over there, right? Where would I go to talk about this? Now, the other little nuance that I threw in there that maybe you guys caught or not, I paid them a compliment, okay? Because so often gatekeepers, they're used to the ladies with the haircut. What are they calling them these days? Karen or whatever. I want to talk to the manager. They're used to taking all this negativity. So lead with, hey, I'm a big fan of what you guys are doing, right? I love it. I've got a few ideas that I'd love to get the group's opinion on. Where would I go to share some information around sales coaching? Or where would I go if I had a couple ideas for you guys in terms of digital marketing? Or where would I go if I had some ideas for you guys in terms of inventory management software? Whatever it is anybody's selling, when you replace the who with a where, you're going to be more likely to get the information, okay? But use some tools to find that person out as well. Don't just lean on the where. Try and do better and get their information. But I realize, I get it, I'm with you. Sometimes we can't get that information. Replace your who with a where.